Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you are highly super duper welcome. Okay, so now the things you want to get ready is your regular soap. That's your bathing soap. I personally, what I use is Siri. So you can use a normal basic soap, a mild soap. You could literally use a Dove soap. You could use drip soap as well. For me, this is the soap I'm using now, so this is just my basic soap. Okay, also what you want to get ready is your cheap body lotion. It must not be Nivea. You could actually use the Vaseline. You could actually use the Dove, any cheap lotion that you have. Okay, then also one thing you also want to get ready is your body oil. All right, mine is almost finished. As you can see, look at where it is now. So this is a Monday to Sunday routine. What you have to do now is to get your pen and your papers ready, because this is going to be a lectured class. So on Mondays, what you want to do is to take your bath with your mild soap. Like I said, you can use any mild soap that you have. Then you go in with your body lotion. I personally, what I usually do is that this my body lotion, I added vitamin E inside those capsule vitamin E that I usually rub on your face. Yes, after going in with your body oil, then you allow it to absorb. Then you also go in with your sunscreen, your body sunscreen. You could actually use this sunscreen over here, okay? But some body lotions, I think this one also has, yes, this has a sunscreen as well. But if you know that you're someone that is always frequently under the sun, then you also need to get yourself a body sunscreen, okay? Then at night, your routine is that you're going to use the Kojie San Soap. This is the picture over here, because this is a brightening soap. So it is best to use Kojie San Soap at night, because this is an active, and once you're done applying this soap or using this soap on your body, you do not have to go under the sun. Leave it for like 15 minutes on your body. Then after that, you wash it off. Then you go in with your body lotion. Then use your body oil after that. Make sure these lotions and this oil absorb into your skin properly before you go to bed, okay? After that, you just go and sleep. No need of applying sunscreen, because you are not going under the sun. On Tuesday, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be exfoliating our skin, okay? And deep cleansing as well. So in the morning, you go in with your Dove soap or your drip soap or your Siri soap, whatever soap that you have. Then after that, you go in with your body lotion. After going with your body lotion, then you go in with your body oil, right? If you do not have money for all these expensive body oils, you know that vitamin E, I made a review about vitamin E. It's in one of my videos. Go and check it out. So you can use that vitamin E. Just 2 capsules is enough. You can use 1 capsule for your both hands and your upper body, then the other capsule for your 2 legs and your lower body. It's going to still help your skin, but if you know you have money for this, it's advisable you go for this. Remember, we are doing affordable here. Then after that, you go in with your body sunscreen. All right, then in the evening, what you're going to be using is your Asantee papaya soap. Now once you exfoliate your body with that Asantee papaya soap, you go in with your shower gel. If you have a shower gel, you can use a shower gel. All right, then but if you don't have a shower gel, you can actually use a body scrub. These are the body scrubs that I have. This is Dr. Teal's body scrub. This is La Fresh. This is Kojie Plus. So you can see. So if you do not have a shower gel, you can exfoliate your skin with your body scrub. Then after that, you rinse your body, apply your body lotion, then go in with your body oil. All right. Remember, this is for night. Then for Wednesday routine, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be moisturizing our skin. All right, you go in with your mild body soap. Then after that, you go in with your body lotion. Then after that, you go in with your body oil. All right, then apply your sunscreen. At night, you use your Kojie San Soap. All right, leave on your skin for like 15 minutes, then you rinse off. Then after that, you go in with your body lotion. After going with your body lotion, you go in with your body oil. After going with your body oil, then you go to bed. On Thursday, we are going to be exfoliating and deep cleansing our skin. In the morning, use your normal mild soap and bathe in the morning, okay? Then after that, you go in with your body lotion. After your body lotion, you go in with your body oil. All right, then after your body oil, you go in with your sunscreen. All right, then at night, what you're going to use is your Asantee papaya exfoliating body soap. Then once you're done, exfoliate. All right, if you have your shower gel, you can use your shower gel. Then you exfoliate using any of this. This one is almost finished. You must not buy the 3 of them. You can buy one and be using, okay? Then you go in with your body lotion, body oil, and go to bed. Then on Friday, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be doing our glowing and maintenance routine. In the morning, you bathe with your body soap. Then you go in with your body lotion, you go in with your body oil. After going with your body oil, then you rub your sunscreen. Then at night, what we are going to be using is our Kojie San Soap. Then you go in with your body lotion. After going with your body lotion, you go in with your body oil. After going with your body oil, then you go to bed. On Saturday, we are going to be doing our exfoliation and brightening routine, okay? So the first thing first, you go in with either your Dove soap or your affordable or mild body soap. Then go in with your body lotion. After going with your body lotion, you go in with your body oil. Then you apply your sunscreen, okay? Then at night, what you are going to be doing is that you go in with your Asantee papaya soap. After going in with that, then you apply your body lotion. After applying your body lotion, you apply your body oil. After applying your body oil, then you go to bed. Then on Sunday, we are going to be moisturizing our skin. You go in with your body soap, go in with your body lotion, then you go in with your body oil, then you apply your sunscreen. All right, after doing this, you also use your Asantee papaya body soap. Remember, I did not say use your Kojie San soap again, because Kojie San is used only 3 times in a week. It is an acid and should not be overused. Then after using your Asantee papaya body soap, then you go in with your body lotion, going with your body oil. After you go into body oil, then you go and sleep. All right, so this is just the basic things in order for you to do, okay, in order to get a brightened complexion. If you notice that you notice that your lotion is getting you dark, or the Nivea lotion is getting you dark, just follow this routine. Get these 2 brightening soaps, the Asantee papaya soap and the Kojie San soap, and trust me, you're going to love your skin. Remember to use your sunscreen if you know that you're going to go in under the sun. And when applying your sunscreen, do not go under the sun immediately. Wait for like 10 minutes before you go under the sun, all right, so that it will be able to absorb into your skin properly. I hope this video was quite helpful. Okay, if this was quite helpful, if you have any questions, you could ask me in the comment section and I'll be pleased and glad to answer you all question. I love you guys so much. If you watched till the end, you are the best. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now by hitting the red subscription button. It's totally free, okay? So you can be getting more updates from your baby girl. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye and God bless. Mwah.